Hello everyone. 2019 Joker, the movie from Hollywood, became a rage. It became a blockbuster. And with the exceptional performance by Joaquin Phoenix, I hope I got his name almost right. This is the best I could have tried. So, the exceptional performance made us quote the character, made us feel with the character, sympathize with him, and his portrayal was brilliant. And he very rightly deserved the Oscar for that. Something we are getting wrong about that movie is that we are not supposed to glorify that character. The situations in the society which force a human to turn into a criminal, to turn into a mastermind, to turn heartless and ruthless, those were portrayed very brilliantly in the movie. But what Joker becomes is not justifiable. He becomes a heartless, ruthless killing machine. Many of the fans who are in the current area, in the current era, they are not aware. They don't know about the DC universe so much. It is because the Marvel Cinematic Universe is like everywhere. But we, the kids from the 90s and kids before us, who had much more to do with cartoons on televisions and who had so much to do with our comic books, we know these characters very well. We know Batman, we know Superman, and these characters have had been for many decades much more popular than any Marvel character. Had it not been for Iron Man and for the Marvel Cinematic Universe and Avengers coming on the big screen, they would have still continued to run the super hero universe. Now, Joker is not a character that we can inspire, that we can take inspiration from. He's not a character from whom we can seek some kind of solace. That is not the character. We may sympathize with him, we may feel for him, but we don't like what he turns into. And this is something important. We need to stop putting statuses, we need to stop putting symbols of him on the uh, on our WhatsApp status, on our social media. No way. He is not the representation of what we should be. This brings me to most popular and the most uh, outside the Marvel Cinematic Universe, the most popular superhero, and that is Batman. Now look at Batman. Batman had dark childhood. His parents were murdered. They were killed in front of his own eyes. Imagine being a small kid and seeing your parents being shot dead by some criminal in front of your own eyes. How hard it would be. He lived up alone just with his butler. Everybody was trying to get his property and he had to suffer many traumas throughout his childhood. Yet Batman chose to serve for justice, to serve for truth, to serve for rightness. He didn't start hating criminals. He started punishing them for their deeds, but he made a policy of not killing anyone. He didn't take his job as a joke or something that would give him some kind of satisfaction. He did what he was supposed to do. Batman always signifies that we have the freedom of choosing. We have the right to be who we want to be, and we have the power to rise and to be beyond our circumstances, to be beyond our society, and do what's right, what we feel in our heart. Batman represents the power of choice. And this is why Batman and Joker are such cool classic examples of perfect arch nemesis of each other. They are the best superhero and supervillain combination because Joker plays a victim of his situations, of his circumstances, of whatever happened to him. Joker plays a victim and he justifies his evilness by using his past circumstances, his past experiences, his previous happenings of life as an excuse. Batman does not do that. He has had almost same level of trauma, almost same level of punishment, and even more suffering he has seen when it comes to parents and family in his childhood. Yet he chose to rise above that. And this is the reason, even when Batman joins Justice League, where there are people like Superman and Wonder Woman and Green Lantern who are way more in terms of strength and in terms of abilities supernaturally gifted, he becomes their boss because of his ability to rise above his situation, to choose who he wants to be. Remember, no matter what our circumstances are, remember, no matter what happens to us in our life, we always have the power to choose and to be beyond what has happened with us. Have a great day, everyone.